guys, so for today's look I was actually inspired by Jlo's look on her Hustlers premiere in Toronto. She had this peachy gold look going on with this gorgeous yellow dress, and I loved that look so much and I wanted to go on here and recreate that look. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Sultry palette from Anastasia, and I did go ahead and already added foundation, my brows, and I did add some concealer on my eyes just so I have a nice base. And I set that with the shade Fresh right in this. Let's see if I can see that. This beautiful. It looks white, but I promise it's not white. It's like a cream color. But now I'm gonna go ahead and take this beautiful brown color in the shade Birch. This one, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Now I went ahead and did the rest of my face just for time's sake. Y'all know that I talk a lot and I tend to talk more than I should sometimes. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and I am taking the blending brush, this little edge right here, and I'm gonna use that shade and just use that in to blend out my color. Now y'all, don't pay no mind to my hair because my hair is all kinds of crazy. Like I said before in my other video, I am trying to get it to grow out, and I've decided that I am not gonna go fully blonde again. It's just high maintenance, and like I literally have no time to be dyeing it every time it starts growing out because it literally grows out like so quick. But with that being said, I've decided that I wanted to grow it out and then maybe do like a balayage, because I do want to keep the blonde, don't get me wrong, I love the blonde in it. So I do want to keep some of the blonde. I just feel like it would be better for the health of my hair and just easier to keep up with and all that stuff. So I'm just going in again to the same colors and blending out that shade right there.
And I just want to make sure it's nice and blended. Now she has these beautiful peachy colors. So now the color that I feel like I'm going to go ahead and use is this beautiful coral color, and that's in the shade Bloom. And I'm going to put that in my crease color. And I'm just grabbing a little bit because I don't want that color to be too intense, because these colors are really like pigmented and I do not want to get too much. I want to just get a little bit of that peach tone. You see that there, and that's what I'm going for. I'm just going to keep blending it in and out, left and right motions, well, circular motions, going left and right. One of the techniques that I like to use with most of my bright colors is a dapping motion, just to get the color in there. But since I just want a little bit, I'm just dabbing it on that shade and then just blending it. Yeah. So now that I have that color and how I want it, just trying to make sure I have enough in each corner there. That looks pretty good. And I did not put concealer on just in case I get fallout. So now that I have that on here, and y'all know that Jlo is very known for her beautiful natural gold looks, and I love, like, she's such a gorgeous woman. Like she's just gorgeous. Sorry, I got itchy. I ain't trying to mess up my makeup, you know. Anyways, now that I have that color on there, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the palette, and I think I want to get this beautiful rose. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm just blending the edges out so it doesn't look so harsh. And we're going to do the exact same thing with the other eye. I'm going to grab some in my finger again, and then just going to apply it right in the center and all in the area that I need it. is actually a pretty quick look. We are trying to do some natural glam. Jlo's always looking gorgeous. She always has some beautiful makeup. I love the gold bronze look on her. She's just so beautiful. And I can't wait to actually see her movie. Have any of y'all seen it yet? And if you have, did y'all like it? Alright, so that's how we're looking right there. So I'm going to grab the same brush and wet it this time. I'm going to go in again and just do it with the same color. I'm just going to apply it all in the center and then just blend it out. Look at that, y'all. Yes. Alright, now that I have that on there, I'm going to go in with a lighter color. I just want the center of my eye to pop a little bit more. You know, I believe she just had her eyeshadow looked a little bit more like this. I just want to, like I said, want the center of my eye to pop. So I'm going to go with the shade Pearl. So it's this beautiful light pearl color. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that in the center. It's nothing crazy, just so the eye pops a little bit more. Same thing with the other eye.
I'm just going in circular motions because that's where I want that color. Alright, y'all, so I went and added my Lily lashes in Miami, and I used my Duo 2-in-1 brush on eyelash glue to add that on there. So now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Make No Mistakes High Coverage Concealer, and that's in the shade 06 Coriander. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M5 170 brush to apply that. And this is a very thick concealer, so a little bit goes a long way with this concealer. Probably didn't need as much as I just grabbed, but this is one of my favorite concealers that I have not used in a while, and I don't know why, but this, look at that, like, you don't even need to like blend it out and it looks good already. To bring it a little bit over here, you know. I hope the lighting is good. Now I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder, the Kat Von D translucent powder. Ooh, and I always seem to grab too much of this. And I try so hard not to waste it. Alright, and I'm just gonna make sure I have plenty under that eye, because you don't want this concealer, because this concealer is pretty thick, and if you do not set it good, it can crease pretty bad. But if you set it, it will not move. Alright, now that I have that on there, I'm going to go in with my, let's see.
So I'm going to take my e.l.f. Angled brush, and I'm going to go in this Tarte HAMPTOMS Weekender contour palette, and I'm going to be using this beautiful shade here and this shade here also. So the contour shade I'm using is Farmer's Market, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that on. Contour my face. And I have not used a powdered contour in a while. I usually like to use a powdered one because I am oily and it does stay on my face longer. I usually do set my contour too with a powdered one, even if I go in with like a cream one, but I haven't used it in a while lately, so the shade is just perfect. And this palette smells so freaking good, like I want to eat that shit. So if any of you are wondering, this is kind of sleep. I like to tell my sleep because to be quite honest, my son is crazy and he likes a lot of attention. Well, of course every kid likes attention, but he just likes to be crazy, and the only way that will get him to calm down a little bit, what I found, is if he has the TV on and I'm not trying to get no copywriting, because y'all know, and like so many of that can be such a hassle and such a biatch. It's just a waste of time. Have to like go back and edit your video when you feel like it's already nice and done. I have an area right here that likes to get patchy sometimes. I just think that's just because sometimes of the foundation, or it's because I have a patch right there, but I don't know. Like sometimes my face is really oily, I don't know if it's just the powder. I don't know, but with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and
like to use one of these longer brushes because I feel like it just works better. I mean, well for me it works better. I like to get as much of the area covered as quickly. And it literally like leaves color nice. But there is my nose, all nice and contoured. Now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques, what is the name of this beautiful brush? Contour brush. And I like to use a smaller brush to add my blush. And I'm gonna use the same palette. Summer House is the beautiful shade that I'm applying. And that is gonna go just all in the apples of my cheeks. And I do like to bring it up a little bit. Are you those type of people that like to bring it up or just keep it right here? For my face shape, I feel like it's more flattering. I don't know, that's just my opinion. And I know it looks a little harsh, but I will go back and blend it out in just a second. But you see that how that concealer glows? And guys, it's not, I do not look like oily or anything. And I'm just grabbing my dual fiber brush and blending that out so it doesn't look so harsh. All right, now that I have that all done, I'm gonna go in with the same, I'm gonna use the same, well, no, actually no, because that's not how her look was. So I'm gonna go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna go in with this coral color, and I'm gonna use that as my bottom lid shade. And this time I do want a little bit more of that color, just more intense. And then I'm just going to take the other side and just blend it out. And doing the other eye now.
Blend it out. And then I'm just adding a little bit more, I think I need some. And I'm bringing it all the way into my inner corner. Just try to really blend it out like this, so that's how we're going to do it. Alright, now that I have that there. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I did add this beautiful topper, my Violet Lost in Infinity, and I added that to the top of my lids, just so that the color popped a little more, and I'm going to actually use this in the inner corner of my eyes. Just so it's a little bit bright. So, I'm just turning that down a little bit. And I am going to get my blending brush again, and I'm going to blend that out so that I'm not that harsh. And again with my Morphe M507 brush, just so that I'm not that harsh. And then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Superfan mascara. I'm going to add some mascara on the lower lids of my eye. And I'm just adding a little bit because she did not have that much mascara on the lower bottom lash, from what I can see. Alright, now the last touch was a beautiful corally color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use the Unbutton in the Fenty Lippy. And then I'm going to go in with another color as well, just to make it a little bit more peachy.
Alright guys, so this is the final glow, or should I say Jlo glow. I had so much fun recreating Jlo's Hustlers premiere look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe and to leave a comment down below, and hit that bell somewhere around here. I always forget where it's at, but don't forget to click that bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. And I thank you so much for watching, and until next time.